Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to make your life a little easier, especially when it comes to keeping your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. We found the CKIKH Handheld Steamer for clothes, a powerful 2000W device that promises a fast heat-up time and strong penetrating steam. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this handheld steamer has to offer. At first glance, the CKIKH Handheld Steamer is sleek and compact, making it easy to store and handle. With a powerful 2000W heating element, it boasts an impressive 9-second heat-up time, which means you can quickly tackle those last-minute wrinkles before heading out the door. This feature is especially helpful for busy professionals or parents who need to look presentable with minimal fuss. One of the standout features of this steamer is its strong penetrating steam capability. This means that not only does it heat up quickly, but it also delivers a powerful stream of steam that can effectively remove wrinkles from a variety of fabrics, including delicate materials like silk and heavier ones like cotton. This versatility makes it a fantastic addition to your garment care routine. The CKIKH Handheld Steamer is designed with user convenience in mind. It comes equipped with a large water tank that allows for continuous steaming without frequent refills. This is particularly useful when you're steaming multiple garments or larger items like curtains or bed linens. Additionally, the steamer has a comfortable grip, ensuring that you can use it for extended periods without causing strain on your hand. Now, who is this steamer suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who travels frequently, this handheld steamer could be your new best friend. It's perfect for anyone who wants to look polished without the hassle of traditional ironing. The lightweight design makes it easy to pack in your suitcase, so you can keep your clothes looking sharp while on the go. Practical use cases for the CKIKH Handheld Steamer are plentiful. For instance, if you have a big meeting or a special event, you can quickly freshen up your outfit just before you leave. Or maybe you have a wedding or a formal occasion, this steamer can help ensure your dress or suit looks immaculate. It's also fantastic for removing wrinkles from curtains or tablecloths, making it a handy tool for maintaining your home. Additionally, if you have children, you know how quickly laundry can pile up, especially with clothes that need to be wrinkle-free. The CKIKH Handheld Steamer can make this task much easier and faster, allowing you to spend more time on what truly matters. In conclusion, the CKIKH Handheld Steamer for clothes is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to keep their garments looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Its quick heat-up time, strong steam capability, and versatility make it an excellent tool for home or travel use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.